Unit 5, lesson 1, 2, and 3, and our new unit is called holidays. Okay, and we will speak about places we can go on our holidays. Okay, let's start with our new unit today. First one, cave. 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 Cave is a place in the mountain. Okay, cave is a place in the mountain. Last week I went to the desert and there was a mountain, and inside the mountain there was a cave. Okay, so cave is a place you can go into in the mountain. Okay, desert, desert, desert. Desert is a place where you can't see any houses or any people. Okay, so it's a place which is full of sand. Okay, without any plants or houses. Okay, forest, forest, forest. Forest is a place where we can see a lot of trees and plants. Okay, jungle, jungle, jungle. Jungle is like forest, but in jungle we can see trees and plants, and we can see a lot of animals. Okay, so in the jungle we can see a lot of animals, and a lot of animals live in the jungle. Okay, sand, sand. Where we can see sand, we can see sand in the desert, and we can see sand on the beach. Okay, waterfall, waterfall. Waterfall is a flow of water which go from a cliff. Okay, for example, last week I went to Al Fayoum and I saw waterfall. Okay, climb a mountain, climb a mountain, climb a mountain. I went to the desert and I climbed a mountain. Make a sand castle, make a sand castle. Where can we make a sand castle? We can make a sand castle on the beach. We can use the sand from the beach to make a sand castle. Go in a cave. Go in a cave. Last week I went to the desert and there was a mountain, and in the mountain there was a cave. So I went in a cave. Okay? Have a picnic. Have a picnic. Last week I went to the park and I had a picnic with my family. Okay? So picnic, it's time you can spend with your friends or family. Okay? But for a short time. Okay? Sleep in a tent. Sleep in a tent. When I went to the desert, I slept in a tent. Okay, so tent is a place where we can eat and sleep when we are in the desert. Okay, swim in the lake. Swim in the lake. Last week I went to Al Fayoum and I swam in the lake. Okay, so lake is like the river, but it's smaller. Okay. Some positions here, writing it off in the trees, on the beach, far from and near to. Last year I went to the jungle and I saw a lion. So I was writing it off the lion. I was writing it off the lion. Okay? So frightened means afraid. Okay? In the trees, I saw some birds in the trees. I saw some birds in the trees. On the beach, I made a sand castle on the beach. We can't say in the beach, on the beach. Far from and near to. My house is far from the school. My house is far from the school. My house isn't near to the school. Okay, so near to is the opposite of far from. Okay, let's have some practice. Choose. Camels usually live in the space, desert, river, lake, beach. Yes, it's desert. When I was young, I used to build space on the beach. So what can we do on the beach? We can build what? Sand castle. So we can say build a sand castle and make a sand castle. Again, we can say build a sand castle and make a sand castle. This is a picnic last Friday. Okay, this picnic, we said have a picnic. So what is the past form of have? It's had. Okay? She didn't want to go into the space because she was frightened. Okay? Look at this, go into. So it's cave. Okay? She didn't want to go into the cave. She didn't want to enter it. Okay? Our grammar today is about past simple. Number one here, verb to be. Like this, I was frightened, I wasn't sad, we were early, we weren't at home. So we have was, wasn't, were, weren't. Okay? So the past simple for verb to be is was and were. Was will be wasn't, and the negative form were will be weren't. Was takes I, he, she, it, and singular nouns were takes we use they and plural nouns. Okay? Number 2, regular and irregular verbs. In past simple, we have some verbs which are regular and some verbs which are irregular. Okay? So what is the difference between them? We know. In the affirmative form, we can use the second form of the verb, like this: I arrived late for school. So this sentence is in the past simple. This action happened in the past. You bought a new notebook. Okay? So arrive is the past form of arrive. 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 Okay? So we add D. So this is regular verb. Okay? Ends with E, so we add D to make the or to get the second form of it or the past form of it. Look at this, you bought a new notebook. Bought is the past form of what? Of buying. So this is regular verb. Okay? So arrive is regular. Why? Because we add D. Buy is regular because we didn't add D, ED to I, ED. So for regular verbs, we can add D, ED or IED, but in irregular verbs, we can keep the verbs as they are. Okay? Negative form, we can use didn't. Look at this, I arrived late for school if I wanted to use not here. So I will use didn't. And after didn't, we will get infinitive. Okay? Or the same verb. I didn't arrive. So the infinitive of arrive is arrive. This is the main verb. You didn't buy. This is the first form of or the same verb of both is buy. So what are the keywords for past simple? We have yesterday, last, and after last we can say last week, last year, or so on. And ago, before ago, we can say a week ago, we can say a year ago, and so on, and in the past. Okay? Read and correct. Last year, my family had a fantastic day in Luxor. Okay? So we have last year. So we must get the verb in the second form, and second form we have is had. We go into the cave last holiday. We have last year also. And the verb here is go, no, it will be when. Number 3, I didn't slept in caves when I was home today. Slept after didn't, no. We need the stem verb of slept and is or it's sleep. Number 4, I go to bed because it was dark. Okay? So go will be when, because the sentence is in the past simple, because we have both. She visited her aunt 3 days before. Okay? Can we get period of time before? No, we can get ago and after, or before ago we can get period of time. So we can't say 3 days before, we can say 3 days ago, because we have visited, and ago comes in the past simple. Okay? That's all. Goodbye.